Welcome, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works. And in this smartphone you can find the fingerprint sensor on the screen, and the display is built in the display right here. So we can make like 5 or 10 tries, and we are going to see how it works and if it is reliable or it's not reliable. So let's start. Let's go. So as you can see, it works really fast, even on the first unlocks. And we have to wait until this icon pops on the screen, and after that we can simply put our finger on it and it will be unlocked. I think that's one of the fastest sensor that I ever used. And as you can see, it works every time, so we can say it's reliable for sure. So yeah, it's pretty fast. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.